Here is Posterfly logo design maker app. So just tap get and then double click to install it. Yeah, so one of the good apps to create some logos on the go. You'll be able to use curved text, 3D object rotation, SVG editing support, introducing the latest version of Postemaker, the ultimate design app that lets you unleash your creativity and stand out from the crowd. Available on iPhone, Mac, and iPad, Postemaker now features two exciting new AI-powered tools that will take your designs to the next level. AI logo generator, AI text-to-image, poster, brochure, flyer, logo. So yeah, all of the things. Then you can just tap open it up, and then here, yeah, you can just open it up like that. All the standard procedures, and then yeah, instantly it asks you to upgrade. $9.99 per week. Not that cheap. So not per month, per week. But then I just wanted to try with is it actually available with some free version? So actually, I'm not sure. So seems it's not available. Yep, okay. So if you just scroll to the very bottom, you can find this link to free version, which is honestly a bit annoying. But then yeah, you can see here hiring poster, so you can generate posters. You can create like a quick post for your LinkedIn, for your Instagram, grand opening. So all this kind of posters and flyers, wedding post, and all of that. So it's kind of like Canva app, Canva.com. It's a very popular app, but this app, yeah, also has just it focuses specifically on flyers, basically on invitations, and and or some quick logos, and then you can just quickly just generate logo just from your just for your business. So for example, I have a website, enter industry, for example, and then just tap generate, and then you will see generated logos. So something like that, super quick. But then obviously if you wanted to get this, you will need to upgrade. So yeah, this kind of stuff. I think it also utilizes some kind of AI. But yeah, it can be quite helpful if you don't have time. For example, you're doing some project at school or college and you need some logo or quick poster. That's super handy app, and you can just do it just from your fingertips on your phone. So quite handy.